Hello, I'm Eliza C. Polizon from BCVET 22. For our technical communication class, I'll be interviewing a professional about her experience in technical writing. Ayan. So, before we start, can you please introduce yourself?
So hello, I am Nika May B. Nadira, and right now I am a technical service associate in a food industry company, and I took up a biology, and right now I am imposed or experiencing a lot of things in technical writing since this is part of my job.
Okay, so thank you for that introduction. Now let me begin with the questions. First, what is your experience in writing technical papers?
Actually, I started technical writing since I'm in college. Just like what I have said earlier, I took up a biology, and all of our experiences during college year, from first year to fourth year, we are writing technicals, especially since we have a lot of it, and our researches like the scientific terms and also our laboratory reports, and lastly the thesis paper that we've done. And right now, just like what I have also said earlier, that I am a technical service associate. As a professional in a food industry company, we write a lot of things and a lot of standards that is compliant to like the Food and Drug Administration, the FSSC, and yeah.
I see, that's interesting. Next question, what are your strengths in writing technical papers?
For me, the strength that I have in writing technical writings is to really look into the related literature and to really analyze what topics or what subject you are going to write about. And during my college year and during our thesis, it's really important or crucial to really dig deeper to what is the topic all about. And in writing a technical paper, we should know the terms and scientific terms that we are going to talk about, and also all of the things that is related to it. And yeah.
Yes, wow, I see. Thank you for being honest. So what are your weaknesses in writing your technical papers?
Actually, that question intrigues me. Because ever since writing technical papers, I don't think I have weaknesses, because I am really into writing since I was in high school, and it actually broadens my vocabulary. But to answer that question, maybe one of the weaknesses that I have when writing a technical paper or technical writings, I think the not having a lot of resources, especially when we are writing to topics that is not really studied from the past. So it's really challenging to search for the related studies that will definitely support the topic.
Oh, thank you for that. Next and last, what is the value of technical writing in your profession?
Actually, as a technical service associate, this is technical writing is really important or crucial, vital to my position in the company. Since just like what I have told you earlier, we check for we write about procedures, step by step things that we needed in order for us to be compliant to what is the standard. And in a food industry company, since our company is a halal certified and FSSC certified, and we also check for the things that we write about that it is compliant to the FDA. And since we produce food like the brand itself. So it's really important for us to write what is compliant to the standard, and also for the safety of our consumers. So writing technicals and also being in the technical industry, it's really important for us to write that is compliant to the standards, because this will make the company better and also make the brand better and also make our customers safe.
In the food industry, technical writing plays an important role in maintaining compliance and ensuring product quality. My respondent, Ms. Nika Maydira, a technical service associate, explained that her work includes analyzing standards and preparing written procedures and criteria to guide production employees. By following these documents, the company is able to observe proper practices and produce safe and high-quality food. This highlights that technical writing is not only documentation, but also a professional tool for accuracy, efficiency, and consumer safety.
That ends our interview. So I very thank you, Ms. Nika Maydira, sharing your thoughts about technical writing.